Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to review the Nivea 5-in-1 BB Cream. Now I got this one from Amazon for around €5, which is definitely affordable, and I got it in the shade Light. It also has a thicker texture as well as the typical Nivea scent. And now let's have a closer look at the shade, as it says that it's the lightest shade that they have, but for me it pretty much looks very dark. And so I couldn't really do a wear test because I can't really wear it outside because it's so dark. And if I'm going to apply it evenly all over my face, and if I wanted to build it up a bit more on certain areas, it definitely looks like I've been too much into the sun, and it won't match with the rest of my body, like my neckline as well as hairline. And so I'm not saying that the shade itself is wrong in in the way of it's too orange, but it definitely is too dark, and I wouldn't call it a lighter shade. I actually would call it more of a medium shade, so that people with a medium skin tone can apply this one. Because if you're having the same skin tone or you're even paler than me, then I definitely would recommend you stay away from it because it's definitely too dark. And so this is basically what it looks like. It applies nicely, it also feels good on the skin, it's just the wrong shade. And I couldn't really find, from what I've tested so far, an affordable BB cream that actually matches with my skin tone. I've tried once the Bourjois CC cream, which is not a BB cream, but the shade of it for a lighter skin tone is really nice, and you actually can use it and apply it and wear it also outside. But when it comes to BB cream, I couldn't find any so far. Now, when it comes to what I would recommend you instead, if you're looking for a BB cream or tinted moisturizer, I do have to say this company is a bit more pricey, but they definitely have more shades available, which is the Bobbi Brown Tinted Moisturizer or their BB Cream. As if you have a look at the .com website, you definitely will see that they have more shades available, which makes it easier to pick the shade and also use it and actually use the BB or tinted moisturizer until it's empty. I'm going to show it right here. This is now the tinted moisturizer, and it feels so good, and it also matches perfectly with my skin, and it also blends in beautifully. And if I want to, I also could build it up to get more coverage. Of course, the tinted moisturizer is definitely a little bit more lightweight. It doesn't have that much coverage of a BB cream, but it just feels good, and I don't have to worry looking like an orange or having too much bronzer in my face based on the shade of the BB cream. So this is something that I do like a lot, and also I would recommend you. It is pricier, I know, but they definitely have more shades available, because this is also what counts when it comes to applying a face product, that it also matches with the rest of your skin tone. Now, with that being said, this is a very short review, but I can't really tell you that it's a good BB cream because it doesn't match me. I just can't say it feels good. That's basically it. But if you're a little bit darker than me and you want to tend to the darker shade, then I definitely would recommend you going with the lighter shade, as this one is already pretty dark. So this is something that I can recommend you if you're looking for it. Now, this was already my short review. I hope that you enjoyed the little review, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it, as this is an independent channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!